Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today I am going to show you how to log and protect formulas in Excel. For this, you will need to open your workbook that you're working on. So now you need to select the column you need to lock the formulas off. So you will need to lock this column. Select the column and right click, and this drop down menu appears. Here you will need to go to format cells, and it will open a new dialog box which is format cells. Here you will need to go to protection and make sure that it is checked on this locked option, and now go back and you will need to select these again and go to review. So in order to protect it, you will need to add a password. In my case, I will just enter 1234 and okay. I will need to enter it again. And that's how you protect your sheet. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll meet you in the next video.